Get us some royalty-free background music in there, buddy.
Oh yeah.
Don't wanna get fucking nailed in the broadcast again. Right. Hello to the -1 people watching. Appreciate you. Let's get into it. So, another day, another DYOR. Currently just sorting out some levels. I can see I have a high volume level right at the daily P.O.E.S. So for me, that is a level to watch. Retrace back to 25 to 90 or 25 to 80 would be on the cards for me. And this would be a typical NFP pump dump, rip, and then rip opposite. Let's get...
Gex is saying put lean. I've never seen that before on the chain activity, not a directional signal. Oh, that's new. Put lean. That's all new, eh?
Where's this on
the website?
Tanuki.
Yeah, bottom right there. Chain activity.
Oh, put lean. Lean, blended
That's
pull
new,
dominance. Not a directional signal.
That's new, eh? That's never been there.
Yeah, they...
100%. That's not been there. I'll find a screenshot.
Yeah,
I've got screenshots.
That's cool. I'm sure they're always updating. We're on the right 0 DTE. Of course, we're only trading 0 DTE. Day trading deluxe. So let's get yesterday. Yesterday's stream offered some great insight for myself personally, with regards to some of the silly decisions of the past couple of days. We'll leave those in the past. But today it's SL or TPs. I'm not interested in BEs. I think a nice level. What are we? There's no skew today. What's going on?
What do you mean? It's 13.8.
I, for some reason, don't have mine showing. Mine's just not showing up.
Gex levels still have not updated on the chart. Interesting. So, no trade for me.
I'm being an absolute dumbass because I'm looking at the freaking wrong charts here, like an absolute tit monkey. Alright, let's get onto the correct stuff here. My bad. Sorry, chat.
So 440.
That's bad.
Here's the highest call wall.
You see, look, the expiry on the skew is for the 10th, so it hasn't updated.
Correct.
Okay, so we're not doing. So currently, we're not doing 0 DTE. Either that, or if I click on show debug info.
Oh yeah. Gives you nothing.
Apparently, it gives you a tooltip.
Yeah, I've seen it before pop up, but doesn't seem to be working.
No. All right. So we're not there. Nothing really changes for me though. I'm looking for a bit of a long ski dong ski. I think down about here. So what I'll be looking for is my standard play. Oh, it's a nice big fucking range up. So I'll just be looking for my standard play of low volume retrace.
It's looking
And
like should break out long here. This highest call wall is at 25,440. On the website, those are still updated. So we can still trade off those.
Yeah, okay, cool.
We can still trade off these. Just don't have lines on the chart. Don't have the new school shit.
The extreme doesn't really update until market open.
No, they usually do one before, which for some reason is delayed. There's usually one before market open.
Okay, so we've at least got the gamma exposure. So yeah, positive gamma, we already knew that. The flip is 613. So the flip is 613. Yeah, well, we already knew that as well. So nothing new in terms of information. Expected volatility today, very high. So we're sitting again at the 100 range and the 20 range for the VVS and the VIX futures.
Can you do me a quick favor while we can you send me that dude's WAP thing so I can have the VIX displayed here so I don't have to go to the chart?
Yeah, I'll do that now.
If you don't mind.
I've actually got WAP open somewhere.
The yen actually spiked for once. Wow.
How do you invite that dude into the lounge?
What dude?
Ah, I've got it. Flappy bot.
Or did you add music?
Yeah, I'm gonna add now.
Just type /play space and then paste.
Yeah, gotcha.
Did you send me that?
Just about to.
Oh, jeez.
Okay, we're at the next. What is this? T. We're at target 1, the normal regular daily push, but that's not really what we follow. It's the same thing. We're on the T1.
Yeah, the dollar spiked. Jesus.
High.
The dollar index, yeah, shot up to T3. It's whipped all the way back down to T1.
Oh, that's good news. That's good news, especially if I locked in silver today. Oh, look at Nvidia go. Okay. Apple. Silver with a bit of consolidation. Hopefully this thing can rip. I did lock in some potential profits there. And then the top 10 is all pretty happy. We're getting a good pumpy, healthy pumpy.
Did you take a trade?
No, sir. No, I haven't executed
Oh,
yet. Although,
you just said I locked in profits. I thought you.
oh no, that was a silver.
Yeah. Where are we for the day? Up here. All right. Where are you talking to this fucking bot?
Huh? Talking to that sucker now. But I don't fucking. Okay, cool. Let's see if I can get this stupid ass thing to play.
Post the link there. Let me try it.
Cool. So that was the YouTube music one that I had. And then here's the normal YouTube one. Oh, I know. Last time he was in the channel. Now he's not.
Copy. Yeah, right. So it must not be able to play from YouTube Music.
Oh, you did it from Spotify. That's right.
Yeah, music only, not video.
Cool. I got you.
Trap beats. All right, I'll look on Spotify for that.
Just anything. Some bash did background trading. Focus. Let me just do that. Background trading focus. Trading focus. Here we go. What's this? This is all like real people's music.
Yeah, I got it. Don't worry. Yeah. Go to Artist Radio. Share, copy link. There we go.
Hey.
That's a similar playlist. It's a radio of that Mesa instrumental and that. That would have been me nearly a TP if I did take that.
That's the thing. I was listening to a dude talk to me earlier today. He was saying, bro, don't wait for perfect. It's the killer. 80% of your rules execute.
It's just no level. That was it. Oh, it was the EMA. The DMA.
Where's DMA? Where's DMA? Ah, right up there. Yeah, it's going up towards it.
Oh, we've got the 100-day DMA. It's just
right.
passed.
Yeah. That would have been the only entry. Yeah, that's right. Huh?
That was the entry. Yeah, look at that. Bounced perfectly off it.
It was at that flip zone, top of the flip zone, DMA. Similar thing going to happen here.
Yeah.
We're going to get a small pullback. 5 minutes till 2 o'clock, 5 minutes till, well, not real volume, but got a confirmation of that jump past the level. This might be something worth executing on.
What's that on? Sorry.
25.45. What we're seeing on both.
Yeah, old level. Wee, nice pop there. Sure. It's New York highs just above here as well. 25.447.
Just talk again now?
Yo. 1, 2.
Yeah, sounds much better. I had the double stream going through, so you were sounding weird. Anyway.
Look at that. Wicked off New York highs. Back down.
Yeah.
Pushing down. 25,500's lighting up. It looks like a bullish day today. All the liquidity is appearing above. What a track. If this pulls back to 25,405, 25,400, take that back up to wherever. 2 to 1. That 430's letting up. It's letting up. Letting up. Oh.
Sweet.
That is the T2 on the Qs. T2 and New York highs. Oh, here we go. He just posted in Tanuki Trades. Gex Live chart view and sidebar intelligent overhaul. This is one of the biggest upgrades in Tanuki Trades history. Ooh, interesting. We're introducing a brand new trading. Pardon? What'd you say? Bruh. Can you fucking... We're at the top of the Gex level. We're at that 440 now, so this should be a good resistance zone to come down. We are in a positive gamma, so
well, look at
potential
the Qs,
rangy play. Why am I
doubling? Look at the Qs. This is actually a long for me, but I needed to pull back a little bit. I don't like to buy this top. But look at the Qs with that shitty sell volume right at the top there. Continuation all day. I kind of want to
pop in. Take a stab at it along here.
Gotta get onto the MNQ if I'm going to do those. Sitting on the NQ.
Yeah, I'm just doing
very different candle
Yeah.
patterns for some reason on each.
This is looking bullish, yeah.
It's not getting any follow through on the CBD. So we've broken through, well, kind of broken through the swing with no follow through. Again, I only take from my levels, so I'm not taking this continuation. It's just, this is at a push level, this is at T2, and it's at the 102, what is this, the 50 day? 21 day, okay, so it's at the 21 day moving average. This might be a little pullback territory. Running out of steam.
Yep.
Okay, perfect. Running out of steam. I'm gonna try catch this long. Positive skew, so we're on the right side. Okay, this is good. I like this.
Yeah, pull back right down to you. Good.
Yo,
Yo, yo.
the music
What's going on with the music?
is called funk, bro. It might be the track.
Seems to fix it. If 445, 450, that's all loading up. So that looks like a pop there through this T2.
Let's see now.
If that breaks up to that 4.5, where's my? No, I'm not live. Jesus Christ. There we go. Oh, this fucking music, bro.
Here it's at. I might be able to sort something out, so don't stress too much. Yeah, I just disconnect that dude, bro. I'll just do it. I'll put it through a different thing. Route the audio through a different speaker.
Your voice is breaking off too. I don't know. My internet's gone shit.
looking good for long still waiting. Here we go. Let's see this little shitty pullback, and then I'm going to set up here for a little.
$405 dump up down to 405.
Yeah, I'll see what it looks like when it hits this 4.8 at the pivot, at that call wall. Oh shit, because we haven't had the updates correctly done or something like that. So Tanuki, am I trading in the past or something? Updated 17 hours ago. Yeah, I'm trading in the past.
Yeah. Did you hear what I was saying about the new update?
Yeah. What were you saying? Like in terms of reloading it, or?
So we introduced. No, it says here. So we're introducing a brand new TradingView powered chart interface, smarter chain analytics, and a fully redesigned sidebar experience. So that thing is new that they're showing there, that I brought up before. Selectable metrics, automatic row sizing, OHLC chart, multiple themes available. Table and chart. What? Down the bottom, there's a table or a chart that you can select.
Yeah, but that doesn't change it. Is today's stuff legit? Because I'm seeing the 11th.
No, he hasn't posted anything about that. I'm talking about the update.
Okay, cool. Well, then I am working off the right level. So 28, 25, 408. That's what I'm working
No,
off.
these levels haven't updated, but the ones on the website, I would say, are legit.
Okay, let's have a look there. Oh, yes. I was giving you the what?
What? Oh, Schmitz. Their website thing is going to be able, you're going to be able to have a chart instead of a table like this.
Yes.
So you can select a table form or an actual chart on the website.
Yeah, so this is what this is what Flubbed is referring to. I'm just putting it on screen there. Oh wait, it's already there, dude. It's already there.
It's already there.
Look at the bottom. There's table or chart. Look at my screen.
Oh, I just needed to refresh it. Okay, cool.
Shut the front door. Here we go, boys.
Holy shit.
Holy shit.
Holy shit.
Holy shit.
They do it again when you think they can't get better. Holy fuck. Look at
Okay, so we're at the call resistance right now. I just want to drop before I forget. Here's that VVIX.
Holy smokes, this is cool.
Yeah, I agree.
Selectable metrics. All right, what's that? Replay. Oh, it's got replay mode on their website.
Yeah. Okay, listen. So this is actually a really nice view. I'm looking at the 3 minutes here, the 1 minute. So I'm going to get back to trading view quickly and see. Oh, we're already not looking good. The only real level is the 408, which is not too stacked. This was the highest resistance by a long way. So again, we're sitting in positive gamma with a positive skew at a call resistance. You're kind of just waiting for pullbacks now. Pullback territory. according to the options level, again, we're not just trading off this, but according to the options level here, we've got a lot of contracts at 320, 360. So it's just yesterday's playbook, 320, 360. I don't know if you noticed that yesterday, flubbed. 320 just touched and ran. 360 just touched and ran, like it always does. We always seem to be doing this. And on the left, we can see the net volume per options, and it's nice, it's boundaried it, so you've actually got the boundaries. I don't know if you can see, if you're watching my screen there, flubbed, you can see they've got them boundaried out. And these are going to be the strikes on the cues, so each one of these boundaries is a strike. You understand? So this is like,
again, I've just got the stream up now, so that
no worries, no worries. So you see each one of these zones that's like highlighting as I go over it. This is a strike. This is a, so if I go like to this, if I go to the cues now, each one of those will be between 16 and 14. You see there? Yeah, exactly, right. So they're actually doing they're doing their zones, the 0.5 to the 0.5, with the middle being the actual round number. So if we're looking at this on the NQ again, we can see today that we're going to likely have a bounce if we get down there, 25,274-ish. So between 25.93 and 25,250, we should get some sort of reaction here. Of course, the thing coming down and then reacting back up is going to be dependent on the volatility that we're having today. So if we look at, because volatility is going to tell you a lot in terms of, are you going to overshoot? Hold on, let me just stop talking. Let's see. So we expected very high volatility today. So you can expect your pivots to overshoot by a long way for the most part.
Oh, you didn't send me that dude's WAP.
I did.
Oh. Interactive candles, time frame switching, pre-market view, expiry markers, dominant zones, and real-time levels. Profile columns on the chart, up to 3 draggable columns. Draggable. Oh, you can resize them too. Holy fuck, that's so
I'm
good.
looking. We're coming into 2 big buy candles here. So I want to take a stab here.
2 big. Oh, yeah. A little longy long from here.
Again, just staying on the side of the skew.
Yep.
We had
13.8. That has updated. That's weird.
Yeah, it has updated. Okay.
But the dates haven't. So I'm going to put 3, display 3 days. So that's all showing negative to the future, bro. 25 450 is lighting up. Is this the long here? It's not really. She wants to.
Yeah, 25 450 is a lot. I'm gonna take a stab at it.
So, yeah, I might take a little. As I did that 400 lit up.
Yeah. So again, it's kind of just like the zone that we're in. So the zone here is 25,380 to 25,420. So it's a big zone all the way down to here, 380. So I kind of want to
step in.
You want to call resistance back up to 440 would be a minimum. We've got a loss of volume going on here, but I'm looking at the Qs, so it kind of does make sense.
25's also lighting up.
Yeah, again, it's
Stop loss at these previous lows. If it breaks them, I'll re-enter at 400.
if you look at the options for
CBD
tomorrow,
slightly,
even pushing up
CBD
higher.
slightly positive.
Hmm.
It is.
Okay, we had a terrible sell candle there. This is the top of that zone, so as always, you'd expect it to stay within this range. Last time it came up here was yesterday, and this was the dump from yesterday. So this was yesterday's open pump. Yeah.
CBD is pushing down.
On the Qs is pushing up.
No, when I looked at it, it was,
Yeah.
and then it flicked up.
Ah, fair enough.
This is the value area high of the week too. So
We had the right type of data to support this pump.
yeah,
Let's just double check that, because I did post the labor resilience. Okay, so if the labor is resilient, we're gonna rate cuts get pushed back, yields rise, the US dollar firms. Gold pressured lower as real yields rise. Deeper downside if wages. By the by, this is all from Alpha FX. If you guys want to go check him out, he's an absolute legend. Tamas. USD strengthen, higher yields, and then the Nasdaq hits as yields spike. So this could be a dump day for the Nasdaq based on news. This isn't actually a positive thing for us. This would be the recession fear type thing. See, oh shit, there's a lot of sell volume coming in there. I'm going to stand out of the way just for the moment. That's a lot of sell volume coming in. If there's no follow through on the next candle, then I'll jump in. But if it, yeah, it wouldn't have tapped me in anywhere. No, I'll jump into a long again. I just want to see this kind of like edge out. So I've got to wait for this candle. That was probably my entry. Yeah, 4-8 flat was the one. I just see potential sliding. If this buy candle volume here ends really weak, then I'm going to stand out of the way for a bit. It's pretty positive. Yeah, we're right at the bottom, so 616 Yeah, 616 is on the call wall. Okay, I am going to redo that here. Oh, getting another dump here. Not what I want to.
Could open in 10 minutes.
Yeah. In fact, this is typical NFP. You know, the data was so good. The data was so good today. It was 130,000 when we expected. What did we expect? Let's have a look here. We expected, fuck me, 65. So we doubled, we literally doubled the labor market. This, again, this shows super, super, super strong economy. This is a huge flag for the Federal Reserve to keep rates higher for longer because the economy is running hot, and that's kind of the balance that they do. So with this kind of number, it means that interest rates stay higher for longer, which means that it's more expensive to lend. Most companies in the tech sector lend heavily, so this is going to be an interesting one. Again, I'm probably favoring the sells based on the data, but I'm not really a news trader anymore, so just see my patterns play out. They are playing out. I should be in a long here. I should be in a long here. For sure I should be. Okay. Let's see. That could have been the fight back there. And a failed fight back. 5 minutes not supporting anything here for me. In fact, 5 minutes just showed me a sell signal. Well, signal. Right. Nice, 77% off fast track. Evils, pass and activate your lead sim. It's making a little base here. I'm liking that base.
Jesus Christ. Could you hear me earthing outside my door?
Nah.
Ew. That was a rough one.
Ooh, that's a big buy. It could be a dump, yeah. Too early to tell. Yeah, it's so potentially get
compact mode there now too.
Potentially get into some shorts here. Reason I don't like those longs anymore, for anyone that gives a shit, is too much sell volume coming through. Generally, at this point, what I like to see is sell volume, sell like that. Sell volume come down, bing, and then we'll get like a little shitty sell like that. And then maybe a super positive CVD starts doing something, just another signal of sorts, maybe on the book map. Here we go, we're turning around. This is kind of that, what I like to see. If this stays like that, 10 seconds to go. It's a 50-50, but it's a wicks all going in the right direction. So I think on that news alone, I'll pop a little see, I'm thinking about buy again. Still want it to come down a bit. Right, we just kind of diddling in the middle here. Should be a buy all the way up with that kind of volume coming in. Market open in 5. Everyone's expecting a dump. Maybe this is the rip. And then all that volume to a nothing candle. Yeah, I can't read this at the moment, so I'm just gonna stand aside, stand aside.
Sweet, you can get a pop-out chat. All right, cool. For future. Read the news.
Whoa, look at that pop. Yeah. I had almost identical trade like this yesterday, and it just dumped. It's tough, it's so close to open, but this is a good rippy rip. What I might do...
Bug fixes. Fixed chart zone misalignment. Colored dominant zones no longer slip when zooming the y-axis. So the difference in the triple Q to the NQ might have been because of that y-axis zooming. It might have varied it slightly. You know what I mean? So that might fix it. They even give you very detailed change logs. Very professional.
Just gotta log into the right trading account.
Inaction is a slow death.
Yeah.
Why is that on the stream?
I'm just logging into my trading account.
Oh, is that a... Right, nice.
Yeah, that's me. That's stop being a bitch. You're gonna die. That's for sure. Ah, and I missed that long fucking getting into my trading account. Son of a fuck.
Up to that 450, eh?
Yeah, I like that too. I just want, again, we're right in the middle, so I need to catch this at the bottom. If I don't, then I'm not in. We're going to try and catch it into the open here. A little wick back for the open, and then continues. That's right now, in fact. So I'm going to see minimal contracts, but we're still going for like a 500, 600 if we can get it. I'll probably add aggressively if it gets taken in and it continues to run. But let's just see what we can do here at the open. Are we going to get the very normal dump? In fact, I don't even need it all the way there. Let's see if we get a dump. I'm only risking a 50, so it's like a quarter risk. I can take off all of that stuff for this. And then 29 rip. 14 points, probably not going to cut it. And we're in. We're just in. We're just in. We're still in by the skin of our teeth. Still in by the skin of our teeth. Let's see if we get that rip up.
Tiny.
Yeah.
Oh, it's tiny.
Okay, so we got, that's, what's it, 460, almost 40 points, yeah. Let's see if we can continue this rip.
Yep, 470, 500's lighting up.
Yeah, again, I'm looking.
470 will be your one, bro.
You think 470?
Safety.
Yeah, the safe is 470. Trouble is, it's like, it's such low carnies. I'm only like 200 in the green. It's not even kind of not worth it. I'd rather take the SL here, to be honest.
Where's your TP?
I'm gonna go to the next high. Well, the high volume was there. It's just disappeared. Where has Tanuki trade gone?
Yeah, what the fuck? Let's just look.
What the fuck?
And there's some thing on the top right, what? Oh no, that's something else.
No, bro, Tanuki's completely gone.
Yeah, it's only on the NQ though. The Q's is still there. What the fuck?
Q's is still there. So with that, we just popped over.
Hasn't updated. Has not updated.
Yeah, 620. So I just want to go see my prices here on the Q's. So if I look at my Q's pricing here, yeah, I was exactly where I wanted to be, 620. But for safety, I'm going to go to 619, which is round up. Well, I'm going to attempt a 110. So we're battling here at the 21-day daily moving, and we're also right at the massive core wall. This is a squeeze though we are currently in, so let's buckle up and hope that the squeeze kicks in hard.
Where the fuck has Tanuki gone, bro? What's going on here?
Yeah, they've done an update to kill it. But the typical NFP play would generally be to rip up and then, or go one way and then rip the other way aggressively. So we might see that play out here again. Not really for me to worry about. I've entered the trade and now I just let it play. That's kind of my thing. Flubbed with the absolute almost banger exit, but we wouldn't have gone it anyway. 470. That would have been a banger exit, bro. But we never got that.
465 it is, yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna take the SL here, it seems. Let's just put it just below the wick licks. This is generally a terrible idea, but I am at 14 points on NQ market open, so I suppose I can give myself a little bit of room to breathe. Yeah, 19 doesn't. Yeah, I suppose. Yeah, here we go down. I'm out of this one probably. Center the back. Let's see if we give ourselves. We gave ourselves 19 points there. That's the wick lick. Let's see if we survive the wick lick. Yeah, I'm 21 points. So do we survive the wick lick? The wick lick being this little cluster of wicks over here generally provides a little area of liquidity of some sorts. I don't know. I just see it in my back testing. So whether this holds or whether this dumps, it's not my problem. Yeah, it's definitely going to come down. There we go. So I was taken out there. Got a maximum of 40 points. We'll get back to the drawing board here. Let me just get this in my diary quickly. And we can carry on. Okay. So we took a 20-point hit there on 2 Connies, which really I didn't even see the difference in my account size, so that seems small. A little concerned I don't have my favorite indicator with me today. Wonder what happens to Tanuki. Let me see if I go re-add it. It was called the Gex profile. But that kind of sucks because it lost all my settings now. So I've added it back twice.
Probably would.
Yeah, they just like straight removed it. So they've killed. It's not even displaying on the. Let's check on the ANQ. No, we're still not getting it displayed on the ANQ for some reason.
Holy fuck, look at that candle.
Yeah. Okay, we got liquid. Quickly get my so we are again just pushing lower. Microsoft, Meta selling off. 615's the currents. Gextreme, what's it telling us? So Gextreme, we're right in the middle of a shit zone, in between positive and negative gamma. Let's have a look at positioning for today. So we're right on the cusp of the marketplace having bought a bundle at 614, hence the little pop ski that we're seeing at 615-ish. Yeah. Why is this going up in 2? I don't understand. Where does 6... Look at this. It goes 614 to 670. What the hell? Anyway, whatever. Let's just refresh this stupid ass thing. What's up with everybody's data today?
I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, even the freaking... The whole gamma just changed just by refreshing my page. That's so weird. Something smells rotten in the state of Denmark, methinks. Okay. Well, anyway, nothing changes there. Dealers have a small amount of puts below this. They've already probably hedged it off. And then the marketplace is looking for price to rise here at 614. Dealers are looking, according to this, to push it up to 621. If not, we got 604 on the cards. And 610 is where things start to get really irritating for dealers as they have to try and hedge against the market. So 610 would probably be my low watermark today. And I'd say 620 would be the upper. Let's confirm that against what the expected binary move is. The expected binary move today, 614 to 615. That's pretty specific. If we stay in that range, man, that's crazy. That's basically saying that we're exactly where price is going to be all day. So let's hope that's not the case. Got a double bottom of sorts forming probably on lower time frames. Let's go have a look at those. Yeah. A little bit lower and I'll probably get long again. 614, I'll take another stab. 614 is pulling in at 25,320. And look what's showing up on the book map. Let's go and set up there a little bit. 614. Let's see some weakness here. A little bit of a pop down, touch our DMA at 614. Again, the data supports this move for today that we're coming down. Could be all the way down to 613, so that would be 70. I'll take another, because of the volatility of the time. Okay, that's fantastic. That's kind of what you want to see. Straight into the T1, straight into the T1. We've got almost 2 points, so that's 80 points on the NASDAQ to gain. I'm liking those two volume candles there. Let's go have a look at the 5 minutes.
Getting stuff again.
300 getting a bit of love, but that just looks like spoofing. Yeah, big buys, big buys. I want to buy this. Big buys. I'm going to buy that there. I want to buy that there. Let's see. Yeah, gotta expect that. We'll see what this sell volume looks like. If I get chopped up again, that's just life. But we're doing our best to execute correctly. It's a bigger stop loss. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, I'd prefer to be out the way. Let's see. Sell volume is supporting a break even for me. But I kind of want to get into this early if we rally. It's going to take some effort to bump out of this. If we can get out of it, it'd be nice. Back to break even. We've got a large amount of orders starting to pop up around the 25,500 region. So we'll see how that works out. New minute, not the kind of buy volume I was looking for, but this is not the only thing we trade off. 444, 445 looks good, and that would be at.
It's just posted now. Thanks. Please use the web app instead. But we are on the fix.
Yeah, cool. That's Tanuki trade. I got really happy about this buy coming into this, the reducing of sell volume, increasing of buy volume at my pivot. Unfortunately, as it took it, we had a little pullback ski, but that's just life. keeping my stop loss kind of floating at the moment. The risk size is appropriate for that. I don't like trading this time too much. Oh, and while we're doing that, let's fill in the journal. We did another MNQ trade. Let's see if we can get to the top here. This is 618. I want to have a look at the GEX stream. It's been a heartbreak couple of days, so let's hope we get some clean moves back up. Would be cool. We've got nice buy volume coming in. Check out that 5 minute. That's the candle I like the most, not because it matters, but just because the time frame generally aligns with what I see there. 1 point on the Qs, 40 points on the Nasdaq. I love 40 points. We love 40 points. Here would be a place to maybe think about exiting if you wanted to. Here was 40 points already achieved. What does 40 points mean on two shitty connies? It's only 160. Okay, it's not great, but we'll let this run. See what's up. Right back into that resistance wall here. And right back into the 21 days, so we could get another dumpy. You know, guys. Okay, so this should be compressing my... Oh, I didn't even see that dump. I just turned my head for a moment. Gosh. Oh, that's horrible. That's what I say. It's been a rippy few days, man. Okay, unlucky. That's not the type of sell volume I want to see coming into one of my main pivots. That's actually very horrible. So I am entitled now to start thinking about break-evening or moving stops up or anything like that. I think for the moment I'm going to just have the habit of getting wicked out, and I'm right at the bottom of a range, so that sucks. Sorry, the top of this little chunky. Let's see what the next candle does for us. If it rips down, it rips down. Can we survive the bottom wick? It's definitely something going on here at 617. Let's check the GEX stream. Got a little something going on there. It's a bit better.
616.
Yeah, so 616 is going to have a little bit of resistance there because dealers are going to try and stop that from happening. As you can see, according to this, the market is positioned itself in terms of the options to move past 616 so they can be in the money. So everyone starts to get into the money now, but we have this down here at 613. So these guys are currently massively in the money at 613. Which isn't a good look for the dealers, who now have to hedge neutral to fix that imbalance. So my position is at risk here. I realize that. Whoopsie. I realize that heavily at the moment. My position is in serious risk. but I also don't want to be wicked out with this potential pumpy on the cards. We're sitting in positive gamma, positive skew, so the options calls are 13% more. Isn't a very high one.
13% more.
No. So on the call side. Again, another big sell volume coming through. Don't like that. I think we're starting to build up for a dump here. Let's have a look. Do we see anything flashing up on the book map? I see a lot of stuff down there. 25,345. Yeah. Okay, I think second of the day is probably not going to be happy. Yeah, this was setting up for a nice little dumpy there. Okay, if it lets me out, I'm going to be out. If this lets me out, if it's gracious enough, I'm going to actually put a sell to over there. And hopefully this guy can come up and pop me up here. Anywhere there, I'm going to be happy with. Yeah, it's going to wick down through those wicks. For sure. So let's just see what we can do. Again, we've had a lot of strong. Oh my gosh, bro! I forgot it's 2 micros, bro. So we're happy. We could take a bit of pain here. Okay, got me out of break even. Thank you. I know it's probably going to pump now. That's generally how it works, but I didn't like any of this movement coming into that position, so I jumped out of the way there. So that's the second trade. I need to get that into the diary. Let's do that now.
Very choppy tonight.
Yeah.
This hang on. Send this to the back. Seriously?
Glad I got out the way of that one. Again, it's not showing me anything that I want to see, particularly in my trade. It's not like I'm looking for perfection either, but I want to see some follow through. So we're happy with that. Okay, let's just see what's the story. I'll have to go back into the trade. Why did I take that trade? We popped up above my level, DMA. Usually it takes a day or two before you look at a trade you took and you're like, what the fuck did I take that trade for? But it's just like right now, it just happened. Literally just right now it happened. Like, well, why did I take that trade again? What was I even thinking now? Perplexing. Absolutely perplexing. Had nothing.
Steady.
25,391.
Yeah, once this breaks, either way, it's fuck. Looking short value area high through from range.
Right, second BE. So I shouldn't see, yeah, shouldn't see much of a difference on my money. Right, we are now looking for, again, as crazy as this sounds, I'm looking along again, right from here, in fact. Oh, thank God I didn't.
Coming down to the Q's daily push there.
Yeah. HVL, daily push. This is our magic.
Back up to 360, retest that EMA, and then yeah, 360's popped up on book maps. That's a it's the DMA. Crazy. Why couldn't this happen?
So it's crazy. We are. If I look at the options,
I had my account.
yeah. Is it done? Is
From that one earlier, yeah.
yeah.
But I took the short on a paper, and I am $1,400 in profit.
Of course.
The TP at $1,700.
Of course. Don't you know that's how it works?
Yeah.
Don't you know? Didn't you know that? Am I the one to tell you that? Don't ever do that. That just hurts your heart. This is why.
Yes,
Risk.
a tick away from TP.
It'll go to TP. Bro, it'll go through TP. It'll like double TP. Somehow you'll get like double the amount in your paper trading account. It's bonus money.
Money to throw away. That's good.
Yeah. Okay, thank goodness. I can actually see why I took this trade. Yo.
335. Open up now.
This 400.
Bro, that literally touched my price, my TP, and didn't push through it.
See, that's nice when you see that kind of buy right at the end, right on a level, right at my levels. I'm gonna see if I can take another stab here. Let's take another trade. Market, stop loss, take profit. This side. Bruh, why is this thing not letting me? Seriously? My trading view just stopped freaking moving. Okay, let's see if I can get in over here. I know it's like near impossible. I'm not seeing much follow through on the CBD, although we're at where I want to see. Okay, we could get back into my 613. See, glue. So this is a big move. No bite. I'll buy the bottom of that. Maybe I'm gonna get fucked here. That's okay. But you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Let's just make sure we don't get fucked here. Oh, we're getting fucked here. Let's check this out. Sell 5. So I'm at the HVL, I'm at the wick lick. It's kind of where I wanted to see, so into the back. If it's gonna pop, I think it's gonna pop here.
I think that skews legit, bro.
You don't think?
No.
Nah, I would agree with you there, huh? I'm also a bit skivvy on it. Let's see if we can get up to TP here.
Yeah, for the skew, mother.
I agree. Let's see if we don't get fucked for the 3rd time here. Not really trying to catch the bottom per se. I'm just trying to like take along for my levels. I am long today. We were in positive gamma. Skew was there, but just like my friend said now, the skew is starting to make me a bit... it's been 2 days in a row. It's fucked us.
That's interesting. So the GEX table, the levels haven't updated, but the chart has.
That's good.
Oh, no? No, I don't think it has. What's the 0 DT? 11th of Feb. Yeah, so it is right. Yeah, and they're right. HVL down at 235.
Okay, let's just get back up there, hopefully. Oh, dumpy again. This fucking skew, bro. Let's see. It's low volume, so I'm not like super worried about this. It's just low volume. Will it go down an entire... Will it go down another to 6? Oh, I can't go down to 6. Yeah, I can't go down to 612. That's too far. I'm already on 25 points. It's more than I like. Although I'm in this little choppy area, so we'll see how it goes. Better buy volume. Are you there, Flap?
Yeah, I'm here, bro.
No, I can't see you.
You should have my screen up.
Yeah, I did. I moved the screen for some reason.
I'm here, my brother.
Alright. Yes, bro. Every time I turn my head away from the screen, this freaking thing is like in negative, bro. Okay, well, we're still kind of where I want it to be for a long, so we'll see. Does this thing continue to shove down? It seems like it. Seems like it. 614, 613, getting tapped hard. I've turned my head away, so I expect to be tapped out now. Let's have a look over here. So we're right at, I'm at the right place. It's nice to know. Wrong from the right place and all that. But yeah, the market generally looks way more positive on the inventory. None of this actually matters, but let's see. This looks like wiki shitty, and I get fucked here on the wick. Let me just. What am I on? Yeah, I'm on 5 coins. Yeah, I'm still acceptable risk. Well, acceptable risk. I don't wanna kind of move to 32. It's not where I like it. You still in that short?
Nah, TP'd.
Cool. Okay, book maps starting to flash up at the calls are gaining.
Calls are gaining, it says here. Shift how today's volume flow compares to existing OI positioning. Calls gaining. Activity, volume intensity relative to open interest, high 260%. We got to obviously educate ourselves on this new stuff they've added here.
This is a sell-off of tech today.
Oh, you can dock it. Okay, cool. Dock. Where is it?
Yeah, it's coming down for sure to 613. I'm not going to take any more pain than I've taken already. Yeah, here we go. That's it. And that's me out again. So I'm trying hard here to stay on the long side, and I'm being punished for it. Let's check. So that was that was 200. I was more confident on that than I was on the other two, so I went a bit bigger. We now have the highest negative support at 613. So if I see a puff on the positive or the negative and a support at this level, it's going to be interesting and difficult to not take a buy again. Sells are coming in hard, trying to push through that level. Let's see what we got here. Bookmap 220, 230. So 220, 230. Yeah. Okay, so that was the kind of sell volume I want to see fizzle out here. Let's have a look at.
So we are in negative gamma now. Continuation play.
Yeah, continuations. So we might have to flip our bias.
So they are now hedging with the direction of price.
You're gonna get these snapbacks constantly. Ooh, finished on the edge there.
Yeah, mean reversal territory too. So 610 on the Qs is the lowest, which is 25,155. Is the strongest call.
No, we're already there.
Sorry, not call.
We're already there. Yeah, we're at the highest negative net gex level, 612. It also confirms it on gex stream. Yeah, 612. That's the flip. So 610
TE on the website.
I'm looking at gex stream, and then on Tanuki. Yeah, we're at the high volume node now.
Yeah, and 610 is the level.
Put support at 610. Yeah, you're right. So what is... Okay, so then it's incorrectly showing on here.
On where? Which one's wrong? Because usually it is
On the trading view, and it's
Tanuki.
vanished, and it's vanished off trading view. Tanuki vanished off trading view now, even for the Qs, as we figured out that. So they are having problems today. All right, cool. If I can't trust it, that's fine. Then I can't trust it.
Not today.
Not today. Okay, so 610.
They're trustworthy.
Yeah, so 610. We want to see a pop ski. I'm gonna flat buy 610. Just because of that pop that I'm hoping to see. And then if I don't get that, that'll be me for this funded. Here, Tanuki starting to show back. There's Tanuki's back. Here we go. Tanuki just got updated, and it's back on the charts, and it's looking good again.
Mine's only got the blue square back. Nothing else.
Hey, it'll come back like incrementally. It'll come back. Okay, so we'll see.
Hey,
And we're in.
Back. Yeah. Shit.
Okay,
I thought my chart looked very fucking clean for a minute.
so I'll just try a bump to 611 from here.
Yeah, so this is the strongest put wall.
So we'll just go on the strongest put wall. It's likely going to overshoot because of the volatility today. I get that.
Yeah.
Overshooting it is. Let's just account for that overshoot. So we'll go extra 10 points here on our 5 connies. That should be a loss of 240, 220. If we lose this, but we took the snap buy. That, and we'll go up for 1 standard deviation strike distance from price, just to catch a quick bump up, because again this looks super bearish. If I wanted to go long again, I want to see it long, get a bit of long, come back down, retest, and then shoot back. That would be a better long, but we are on a negative squeeze, so it pops back, and then quick profits is what I'm looking for. Let's lock in some here. Okay, and cool. TP hit there. That's good. Finally, what do we get? So 1 to 1 2 3. That's what we love to see. Okay, bottom wick on a positive volume candle. Again, I should be playing it back up to the HVL, but I'm not gonna. What did we get on that? So we're back to break even for the day. That was nice. Good job. Right. What's next? Let's see what else we got here. 610 again. It's just looking like the one. We might get a retest. Let's see a shitty sell back for the retest, and I'll take another long, identical. That's a more honest view. Okay, that's a big sell coming back. Kind of broke lows on the CVD. Again, huge balls are taking more longs here. What you could also see is the classic bing, 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 dump down again somewhere here 609-ish, and then W reversal back up to the HVL. So we'll be looking to take advantage of that play if it happens. What we want to see here is what me and Flood like to call a pft. A pft. Just a That's what we love to see. I'm looking here at the book maps. I'm seeing that the level we're at now has the most contracts traded today, but mainly sell contracts. Here we go. We're back at 610. Oh, I missed my setup. Fuck. Okay. Again, missed that 610. That was the type of sell volume I was looking for. Probably would have jumped in that again. So a very positive buy here would be reinforcing, engulfing as well. But I still think a sweep of this low is going to come in here. But we got 610, 609. Where are we looking here? 610, 609 is. I can't really go zoom out on Tanuki, bro, without this thing going all stupid. 607. Oof, 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 oof. 607. Where is that? Okay, 25030. I'm seeing a lot of love at 607 for another one of those pops. But we are on a negative squeeze right now. So what I actually should be looking for is selling any positive volume. I'm going to be very flick-flacky with my positions. Let's see. We got that
shit. This indicator's got a lot of stuff. Holy shit. Show VVIX version.
Which, you talking about the VVIX one?
Yeah, do you mind telling me your settings? Because fucking hell.
Yeah. I just got to update it as well.
Got a lot of shit.
Okay, that wick full. Let's see. Down to 609. It's another strike. If it's a okay, this is looking better. I like this. Okay, I'm gonna want to take another buy here, but I'm just gonna hold off for the moment. Again, I should probably rather wait for weakness on the buys. I don't know why I'm trying to catch the bottom. This is classic fuck up on my side. Yeah, 6 or 7 getting hit harder and harder and harder. It's identical in size to 610, just in terms of positioning. Okay, so any weak buys here, I want to take down to 607. Look at the skew now. Skew sitting at 98.7, 987. Swapped over to 5 minutes just to give myself a little bit more points. That's all time frames are really good for. See that W reversal. There we go. Starting to see some skiv appeals. Delta fuckery. This could be putting in something here. Yeah, the markets have gone super negative over the next 3 months. Super negative. So the monthly maps here would be all pointing down. VIX is increasing. A lot of volatility. So letting your positions run if you're on the right side is the correct move today. And catching quick entries, but knowing that you're going to overshoot. I haven't even seen. Do you have anyone watching?
What's that?
Do you have anyone watching? No. I think.
VIX indicator. Show BBB. What's BBB?
Triple B. That's the contango, whatever it's called.
Do you have that on?
Triple B, that's where you have to work out the risk interval. So you need to know what the... No. You need to... It's something that Matt gives you. You'll have to... It's where basically the option... So you have the option contract for, like, example, January, and then you have the options contract for February. Now, January can finish at, like, 6:12, and February can start at 6:13. The middle point of that is Triple B. If price is trading above Triple V, it's volatility. Below Triple V, it's not. Hope I got that right.
You have that on, obviously. Do you
No.
have the trend thing on?
Pretty much nothing. Okay, so we're down at the bottom of the barrel here, scraping. What did I say? 607. We're at 609, 608. We're close to 607. I'm expecting a pop at 607. So let me get ready for that.
You just pretty much show VIX and what VVIX.
I just show that little table at the bottom, nothing else.
Yeah, but what's on that table?
Can
you screenshot
so
the thing?
yes, you can check on my screen there. It's just expected volatility, VVIX, VIX futures, VIX 1 day, and then VVIX trend, VIX futures trend, 1 day to a VVIX 1 day trend, and then at the bottom you can tell you whether you're getting real-time data or delayed data. I just keep that there in case. So, getting a lot of love on the book map around 2050. 2050, it's a bit too rich for me. I need to come down a bit more than that. I'm expecting this dude. He's getting a lot of sustained selling. There's really nothing going on here. A lot of sustained selling. Brutal. It's brutal. On the 1 minute though, got a little reduction. Seeing a little bit flattening out in the CVD. Okay, this is the kind of pop I want. Did this earlier though. Over here. No chasing today. No chasing today. So maybe. What's the time? Hop us through. Only reason I was looking for longs because of that skew and positive gamma, negative gamma now, negative skew now. I'll look for a short up at any bad buy.
How's our VIX showing two different things? One's increasing.
The VVIX or the VIX VX1?
Both.
Yeah, they're both increasing.
Both are red.
Yeah. So the futures, so VIX futures is increasing, and the current volatility.
It was showing green.
No, it's not.
It was just on the stream. It is. Oh no, it's not.
Okay.
Don't worry. No, I wasn't live. It wasn't live. But fuck that.
But you're not even live, mate.
So you've got VIX, VVIX, VIX. What's that third one?
VIX 1 day. So that's the VVIX. Sorry, the VIX 1 day. So in this 1 day, what's it moving? Its average is 9. Current is 12. Okay, well we got positive volume on NQ, but I don't trust NQ. I trust the triple Q. So triple Q for me, it's actually looking really good in the 5 minutes. I like this. If it stays positive, I might get a retrace pop up from 408. But again, it's difficult to take longs at this stage, especially like candles like that forming. Fuck it hell. Only 1 hour after market open now. Half an hour volume incoming.
We just can't get out of this 25,000 to 26,000 zone, mate. It just plays that 1,000 range every time. Feels so much later than it actually is.
What's silver doing? Okay. got a bit of a what the fuck candle going on here. Yep, that's a bit of a what the fuck candle going on here. Just show me your panties and you are gonna get taken down.
$607. 607 is an updated zone.
Yeah, 607 is the one I've been waiting for the whole time now. Yeah, 607 sits here. 25.2, and it's also my favorite number, 23. So trouble is we're trying to catch the bottom for a thick market reversal, which isn't the greatest idea. But that's nice buy volume coming into that T. What is that? The S. S2. Can I pop this? I gotta update this. Sure. That's a very nice buy volume. I really like that buy volume. CVD also popping.
$607 is stacked.
Yeah. See this 5 minute tells the story here on the triple Q. It's like, sure, it's a big green old candle, but that's four-hole volume. And we're getting a skiv appeal. We're getting some wicks on the delta. It's not this, not the delta. What's this is called again? Yeah, it is a volume delta.
John?
Volume delta.
Net volume, what did we need here? What did we...
Apple getting some love, Meta getting some love. Let's have a look at the rest of the market. Whoa, Nvidia. Ouch. Apple taking the cake today. Look at Apple. Look at it go. Absolutely gorgeous. Clean moves. Oracle getting absolutely molested like an Epstein victim. Amazon, another Epstein victim. Microsoft, another Epstein victim. Phew. Okay, I'm gonna flip up to the 1 minute here. 8 seconds to go. I think it is probably a really interesting opportunity to short from the put support.
Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, that is not a bad short, actually.
Gonna try my luck here.
It's yeah, book map show.
Got increasing buy volume, so yeah.
Yeah, no, book map's just at 150. It's just under 150 that got tapped.
This is the classic W reversal. I was just a little bit too optimistic initially. It's not the type of buy that I want to sell into, so I'll just wait for this thing to fizzle out, or give me another one over there. Watch this thing play above here, this put support, come back down, retest it, and then I'll take it back to the HVL. But I'm not going to be touching that play for the moment. I'm not in on this one. We'll see how this next candle plays out. Again, in high volatility days, your pivots are going to overshoot. A candle closing above it does not necessarily give you confirmation, especially with the VIX trending like it is today. That is very high VIX.
Very volatile market. I
brilliant.
fucking love that indicator. Jesus, that is so good.
Oh, what, the VIX one?
Yeah, bro.
I'll introduce you to the guy. He's a killer, bro. He's killer, dude. We used to do a lot of coding back and forth.
You can't put a background on it, eh? Oh, you can. Sick.
Of course you can.
Oscar. Marvelous. That is marvelous. Make the text stand out a bit more. Fucking.
Skew playing in. Yeah, skew playing into power. It's good. That's good.
Bring it to the front so nothing goes in front of it. Beautiful. I can now feel like a pro.
You ready? Are
took that 155 short. Let's see what happens. It's getting a big rejection there now.
Oh, got a turnaround here on the positive, back to negative. This is a difficult one to play with. Yeah, short's looking much better here. I'm just gonna wait for this 5 minutes. Yeah, it's S2. What's a 5 minute giving me? It's giving me reduction, reduced buy volume, skiv appeal, well, sorry, delta fuckery.
$55 again. On the book map.
Okay, we're gonna try sell that. Just gonna try that with a very small position size along with a very small, because we are so volatile on the VIX. I'm gonna just keep my position super small here. It's a 17, I'll probably go up to 20. Yeah, 22 points.
At the top of these wicks.
Yeah, right at the top of these wicks, exactly. This is actually a typical POES position. So we broke below. And
75, just getting some.
Yeah, this is a very small
Just go to the
position.
toilet quick, bro.
Do your thing. Let's go above these wicks here. Let's just go there and see what's up. That's my final stoppy there. That positive buy doesn't give me any confidence, but you know, as it's about to show, it doesn't give a fuck. That was the turnaround. And yeah, it's only 100, so it's a very small position size. Happy with that. Reason for the trade is that shitty. Just pop that there. So while I was there. So again, position here was based on the skew, negative volume. Might still get that thing coming down, but this could be the retest for the long I spoke about earlier. Okay, we're not getting any downward pressure on the CVD, which makes me want to jump into a longie here. The 200 we've got. Well, if I'd seen that 200 flash up early on the book maps, I would have jumped into that long there. Into 611, what is 611 looking like? 611 is a dead zone. Yeah, 611 is a dead zone. 612 is a dead zone. If it pops through here, it's probably going to shoot through. I've got high enough buys on everything, so I can potentially just have a look
Just
here.
show the stream there how well that GEX level 2570. I mean,
You know, long.
no.
Ah.
I'm just saying, like, show chat how well GEX works. You know what I mean? Like that week passed at 12 points and it's reversed from that 70 level.
Lot of sell coming in.
That third football. Ooh, yeah, Jesus.
I want to take a buy here because it feels uncomfortable. I didn't mean to mark it. I actually tried to take a limit, but it fucking took me out of market because I wasn't paying attention. Okay, well, that is what it is. We'll try to get back up to this HVL here. So that's 230-ish. 200 is probably the safer bet. If you can hold on to it, you can generally see the top of this get hit, especially with the rippiness we got going today. We are at a P.O.E.S level. That is something to be concerned about, because P.O.E.S levels are freaking accurate.
Yeah, that S1, look at how many times it's fucking rejected against it.
Yeah,
Even like an hour ago.
Yeah, we got good.
Chat how good GEX is. Look at P.O.E.S, bro.
I know, that's what we what's the time? 3:45. All right, dwindling buy volume coming into a
It's time for a bomb.
Yeah, bro, I agree. We are at the top of this range, so I'm going to be a little bit more cautious here, but I am seeing buy coming into the market? Let's just have a look. Okay, I can see some. Again, love coming up to 230. This is a chunky zone, 200, 205. So I should have probably been out here, but so I don't want to be on the wrong side of the skew and this thing rips down like it's been doing all week, and it's fucked me a lot today. Another day, another dollar. Yeah, that T was it S2? Yeah, S1. That thing is holding the fort today for the Bears. Traditionally, this would actually be my push short with a typical short, but we already tried one of those and we got fucked. So we'll just hold off for now. Not the type of sell I wanted to see. Definitely not the type of sell I wanted to see. Now I want to see some buys come back into the market. Looking on the order flow. Flicky flacky, looks like this position is not going to be happy. Okay, type of buy volume I like to see. That's going to keep me in the trade. I'm not going to do anything about it for the moment. I know it's probably going to well, I'm not going to use that language, but we are in the type of environment where stop loss is likely. But a pop would be great. You still can in the pool. That'd be too bad. Okay, 155. Got some love going on. I'm at 145. My entry was 160. 155 is the pivot, so to be expected. Can we survive a bottom wick? Can we survive a bottom wick? Let's survive a bottom wick. Reduced position size, time of the day, not too comfortable with the movements, as you can see. Why? It's got the feeling of wicky today, and I feel like I'm going to be wicked out here. Just got that feeling I'm going to be wicked out here. Sell volume increasing, my position not looking good. Let's see if the stop loss gets cracked. Hopefully we can survive this bottom wick, because again, downside is going to be 100% more vicious than the upside. I'm taking against the grain, going into the high volume node in a negative gamma environment. And hopefully we can get a rip up. It's about another bottom wick, will we?
Yeah, I might get this to S2.
So we 10 minutes till volume. I'm hoping I can survive till then. I've got the S2. This would be a typical push from the S2 upwards. So I'm gonna just hold off there, move my stoppie because of the typical push setup that's happening. Position size is reduced, so yeah, I can take this 40 points. That's okay. That's okay. That's about a 10-point stop in my normal position, so I'm happy with that. Gonna need to reduce in these times. And just expect the rips to take care of the money. Like that. We just want to see these rips take care of the money. There you go.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very
You see, what I'm expecting as well is if we can get to this HVL, sure,
Very
I'm
nice.
probably going to get a rip back, but the chances are it's going to go higher. Chances definitely. Although we got this blue what the fuck candle coming in here. Big green candle with no volume. Don't like to see it. That is just a
Yeah.
spew.
Universal,
That's a spew.
thingy.
That's a spew right there. The final fight of the buyers before we pummeled on to
What you get in at?
2164. So it was supposed to be a limit order
Nice.
from. It was supposed to be a limit order from 21155, but I hit the wrong thing. All right, so we are at S1 on the POES. So what you'd expect here is price to pop up above this S1 on the half an hour mark, and then come down, make its bottom wick touching that S1, and then shoot back up to the daily POES, which for us would be
T1.
that's 2.5 points. So that's 4.8. That's 100 points away. So you want to get 100 points up, kinda. Currently sitting at 41 points profits. We're hoping for the 60, 69.
Lit up.
Yeah, let's get to this.
35 will be great.
Let's get to the 69. Come on, baby. You're almost there. You're almost there. That's what we like to see. That's what we like to see.
235 is 52 contracts there already.
Yeah, good job. I'm on 232. I'm going to move my stoppie all the way up there because I want to lock in.
260's got 49.
Okay, so I've locked in
160
there.
has
At,
got 122.
I locked in at 220. TP'd. Okay, cool. I TP'd there at the high
Very
volume
nice.
level.
I heard
Very
that.
nice. Good job. Good job. Excellent.
That's
Another
good.
day, another
Go back
dollar
to
for the
the
POES
six,
system. Right, got to take a quick note of the reasons for taking that trade so that I can be a better trader tomorrow. POES level, CVD, not through. What else? HVL targets. Okay. So we'll have to see it. This would actually be another long if you were big balding. Oh, sweet. Check at that, bro. We're up for today. Nice. Okay. So 70 points was a good little TP there, man. Good job. Good job, Tony. Good job. Okay. 70 points. We want to try and flip another 500 for today so we can max out this account and then we can move on to the next one. That's my rules. The DLL or MLL or MDL, MDP, max daily profit.
You are the MVP.
Oh yeah. Say it again in Dutch. Slikken nachlaven. Klokken de klikken. Talk to me in Zulu. All right, setting up for another long here. HVL, HVL upwards. Try and nab in another.
I've got to buy there already.
You got to buy there already. Good job. I'm gonna put
Waiting.
another. What are we gonna do? 4 3 coins. 4 3 coins. 65 coins.
60 is lighting up. That is possibly just to spoof price down a bit.
Was it 160?
160.
Yeah, it's plausible. 160. We go back down there to rip up. That would actually make sense as well on the POES system. Got 3 and a bit minutes left for this hour. Let's just pop that. Where was it? Back down.
Yeah, this is going to come back down quite low. I think. I'm going to take a stab on it. See what volume does.
Here we go.
HVL
Volume.
is
This is looking good.
the play.
Yeah, HVL is the play, it seems. Again, I'm gonna let's just set up here. I'm against the grain. 32 contract.
Yeah, the 240's lighting up, so that's just above HVL.
Yeah. Well, it just got taken at 245. Okay, so we're looking at 612. Let's just confirm quickly on our get extreme. Yeah, exactly. Let's just get extreme it out and see what the oh flip. Get extreme. Sorry, I couldn't find it. Oh snap! Look at 613. Okay, so 613 could be a rejection. We've got the market positioning itself heavily at 613 for longs. So if it pops over 613, which is exactly now where it's kind of retraced. I'm keeping that by now.
I'm in.
Yeah. I'm also probably going to get taken in, hopefully. Yes, okay, I'm in. Yeah, that's me too.
160.
So from here, I'm trying to get to 225,320. That would be great if I can get to 25,320.
Yeah.
Get back onto the NQ and have a look here.
1.5 minutes to buy that to buys. Hopefully buys.
Yeah, exactly. I might need to reclaim, but again, this is going to be the flip zone we're currently in for the day. So if you look at the gamma, this is the flip. Yeah, exactly. This is the flip. So here's the point where dealers and market participants who trade in options are busy shitting themselves and buying and selling as frequently as possible to offset their exposure. And it's called gamma hedging, and using all the Greeks, the deltas, the thetas, all that nonsense that I don't even know anything about, so don't expect more than that in terms of an explanation. BRB.
AI for that part.
Exactly.
613, yes. 613. Sweet. What is Bitcoin at today, actually? Oh, 66. Come down to 60.
I'm still happy with 25,235.
Yeah, we had shit sells in that last candle. Look at this nice little push on this one. We just need to break these previous highs and we are good to smash.
Okay, we'll know very, very quickly. It's 4 o'clock. Have we picked the right side of the market here? That previous sell volume was good for me not to think about closing. So let's see what's going on here. 5 minutes candle, what am I showing? Pretty positive for sells. It's always like a question, would I have jumped into an opposite position with the data I have in front of me? Right now, probably wouldn't be selling. Although you should be considering it because we're at the HVR.
Yeah.
So could be a quick flip to a sell, but I'm probably looking at the book map to see is there something above, which there's not. We only have 25,162.
No, I know. We're on the wrong side of book maps, but we're in this position.
We're in this position, and what we actually want to do is to get up to 613. Where is 613? Yeah, okay, 613. I might take a shorter stab because we got the daily push at 613.
Yes.
That's 40 points from here.
It's just here, yeah.
That's a 40 point. And that's right to the daily push. So that's actually the reason why I quickly just saw that is because I had marked that out this morning already as something to watch. So some sort of reaction there. But a nice little pop would be great. I'm gonna have to start doing Family Guy business. Take my kids to their daily thing.
Don't like this candle pushing down.
Well, the volume isn't really there on the 5 minute just yet. Let's have a look on the 1 minute on the triple Q. What's going on? Terrible buy volume, especially with an engulfing candle. You don't like to see that. Engulfing candle like that should have the volume to back it, but it doesn't. So
yeah, 200's getting lit up. Yeah. Yeah. Jesus, that was a tick away. Almost.
And I am almost probably not going to survive this. Yeah, there we go. I'm out of that one.
Oh, really?
Okay, what was the loss on that? Acceptable. Although that sell volume was really little. I think I might just wait till the end of this candle and see where we end up. If we end up down somewhere near 611 again, which is 200, yeah, 200. Might take that long from 200. What? This fucking stupid thing. Did it take me to 200? Oh, it did. Okay, I was at 200. I was at 205. I wanted to be at 200, man. Stupid ass thing. Oh, it's got to set on market. That's why, like an idiot.
Oh, so you were in?
Well, I got in again. Nah, only reason is I got the book map at the 200. I just caught that right as I saw that 200 getting lit up, and then that quick bounce off of it. Also got the wick click going on here, so while I explain all of that, let me write it down. Fight back here from the buyers. Like to see it. Probably an HVL pop drop back to neg gam. That's the worst case. These two positions together would equal roughly 80% of a normal loss, so that's okay. Yeah, 24 on a 2 Connie. Confidence is not high. I can't wait till I can start trading the micros again, man. So I can feel that confidence in the market. That's the type of buy volume we like to see. Oh, okay, nothing. Oh, it's back. No, yeah, it's back. No, it's gone. Nope, it's gone. Damn. Would have been a nice print for that thing to end green, but give us that joy today. Right, this will be my last trade by the way. Let's see what's up. Could take a pop up to the HVL. It's 28 points. CVD starting to flick down. Click back. We're definitely in the right place. in the right place. This is the typical P.O.E.S setup right here. A retouch at 61080. So that's just above 611. Yeah. So 611 is your touch continuation. It's that typical P.O.E.S play that I was telling you about earlier. Because of that, I'm going to give myself a little bit of breathing room because I've got a couple of extra comps going on here. And then
So this is just strong support.
typical P.O.E.S on
But
M30.
resistance.
And in theory, if we are trading a typical P.O.E.S, then let's just get this guy correct. Giving ourselves one risk interval. Yeah, we're definitely looking to go back up to the daily P.O.E.S, so that's 80 points away. Overlay that tracker. Yeah, that's exactly where it is. Okay. So my original typical P.O.E.S would be 50 points for 100. Traded that for a while. It's nice, but it's slow. And you have to be on the chart long. Okay, I'm going to walk away for a bit so I can get some action because it never happens while I'm looking. So, BRB. All right,
You
Flood,
still
what we
in
got
that
going?
trade?
Yeah, I'm still in that trade. It's on the
You
screen.
Yes, looking good.
Gave myself a little bit of room because of the overshoot on the volatility. So we want to go up to the daily push here. But unfortunately, I'm going to have to go. So yeah, there's no staying anymore, unfortunately. Sure, this fucking wanky trade is not going to complete. I've got 2 minutes. Always a question, do you TP or do you Levy? I have to, unfortunately, Levy, like, because I'm not going to take this TP. I need to do this for my psychology, for my soul. I need to take this SL if it gives it to me. I'm even inclined to say that if the sucker pops above the daily P.O.E.S, it's going to go all the way to this moving average here. Something like that. It's 2.8, it's 412, so it's like 110 points. It's like 10 points difference. No, it's not. No, it's almost 30 points difference. 35 points difference.
Push level held.
That typical P.O.E.S is a beast, bro. Don't sleep on that trade, dude. I'm telling you, don't sleep on that trade, bro. Typical P.O.E.S is a beast. It's a beast.
Before, and then it was solid support.
Solid support. Solid support. Anyone watching, just remember, we calculate those things the day before. At market open, you already know what the whole day's trades are going to be. So, yeah, you know the dealio, bro. Reach out if you need some help. Excuse me. Okay, anyway, I'm going to be out. So, hopefully this trade plays out. Do you want me to leave the stream running, or do you want to...
No, I'm out as well, bro.
You're out as well?
Wrecked.
Ah, wrecked.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Well, nice one, Mr. Flood. I will speak to you soon, man. Much love as always.
Get you, Tony. Talk to you later.
Sweet, bro. Let's hope we don't get SL'd yet. Peace out, YouTube.
Have a good day. Peace.
You too, my man. Much love. Okay, that's the...